Guys, match winner tayo Spurs. Kasi isang trust na lang yung champagne kailangan ko eh. Uy, wala. Spa diba? Malos naman. Wala. Depensa lang. Patay! Sabi na eh. Na lang pala. Hawak lang, hawak lang, hawak lang, hawak lang. Buti wala. Tira dalawa. Boy, hindi gawa mo, boy. Okay, depensa lang. 4, 3, 2, 1. Uy, mawa naman yun, no? Hawak lang. Play, 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 play. Outside po. Outside pa, diba? Game. Depensa lang. Ano yan? Depensa lang. Bayan mo yan. Fox, depensa mo maigi. Shot clock violation. Nice. Clock violation. Nice. Fox against Ananobi, pulls up, jump shot, short, won't go, the follow, no, but a foul. Yes! Nabahan ako dun, boy! Josh Hart got caught, ball. He hit the 2 clutch free throws in game 3. Young man who was born in unang tira. Pasok mo, pang all. Nice. Nice, nice. Pasok mo, pangalawa. Panlamang lang. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, nice, nice. Time out, time out. Depensa. Depensa lang. Wala na yan. Oh, pilit. Rebound. Asay na. Diretso mo na. Uy! Utanda! Pinaul naman, backward sana yun, no? Pinaul naman, di ba? Pumasok naman. Ganda ng ano tira no? Ang wala na talaga. Perfect timing. But now the Spurs have a chance. 1 point Banyama. Isa lang. Isa lang. No timeouts left. They have to get it in. Harper lobs it inside. Castle has it lost. That's it. It's over. History. The Knicks pull off the miracle and lead it 3 games to 1. GG. Ganda nung tip ni Obi doon. GG.